Thank you. Hi, I'm Justina from Singapore. I'm going to share about my experience with MLife and why I'm so excited to share. Just give you a little brief story of why we all need our MLife. We all need to take care of our health. 4 years ago, within 18 months, 4 members of my family died. And out of 3 of them are very, they are young. And it was such a sad occasion that I have to always do the funeral. And it really triggers me to think we are also, reaching all this age, and if we don't take care of ourselves, I'm going to end up like my brother and my sister and my dad. So I started looking for health alternatives other than doctors. Checkup is one thing, but you have to, look with it, outside of how you can take care of your own health and stay healthy. With a lot of money, and if you're not healthy, is really no quality of life. So I have a dear friend called Brian. He is now my upline. He's also a nutritionist. One day he sat me down and he told me about MLife mattress. My jaw instantly dropped because in my entire life, I've never ever heard of such a mattress. I've been out and in sales, in business, but somehow I never ever heard of electric potential mattress. And whatever he shared with me is like, oh, all these symptoms I have. So has my husband. And so have my 4 grown children. I have a very young one. I have 5 kids. And everybody is subjected to all these problems in their life. And why not we go for it? So I told Brian, I immediately wanted one piece to have my husband try it. And on the day when he brought the mattress for my husband to try, I was coughing really badly, and I have a wheezing cough and sometimes gets into asthma. And the doctor told me that when I get asthma at adulthood, it's going to bring me till the day I die. It's not going to go off. And I don't believe. I want something that I can make myself healthy again. So on that night, my husband being the older one, and he also has a lot of issues, he slept on it first. So I heard from Brian that if I sleep very close to him, or if my body is touching the mattress, I may benefit from the electric potential as well. So what I did is I put one of my left foot on the mattress the entire night. And amazingly, the next day, I stopped coughing and my wheezing went off.
Wow! Was that a magic? No. That was electric potential therapy.
And, I started to also experience I have headaches and all that all the time because of sinus caused by my husband smoking. Always smoking in the master bedroom toilet, and I'm actually like an ashtray there. I smell just as though I smoked. And I developed this sinus pain in my left eye, and it has been there for the last 3 years. So, and almost every day I have to take Panadol to keep the pain away, and just to stay okay to work. But after using this MLife for several weeks, now I've used it for 4 months, I don't have this problem anymore. It's not totally cut off, but I have very little encounter with this sinus block and headache. And it's been great for me. I sleep well, I sleep deep, I work a whole day, I don't feel fatigued or tired. Slowly all these symptoms are going away from me. And my husband, he has always getting up every 2 hours to urine in the night. And it caused him to disturb his sleep all the time. Because after he get up, he kind of need a little while more to get back to sleep, and he's using one sleeping pill every single night. And he has leg cramps almost every night. But after using M-Life, just 1 week after, he has no more cramps, no more waking up in the night, and don't need to use the sleeping pill anymore. Because
Wow. Justina, may I ask, for how long your husband has been taking one pill a night for sleeping?
for 15 years.
15 years. And with M-Life, right from the first night, he
Yes,
stopped
he
taking
stopped.
sleeping pill. Isn't that amazing?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm so pleased. And my husband also has cervical spondylosis for the last 30 years.
The
The
pain
neck.
in the back of the neck.
Yeah, it's a pain in the neck. And a lot of pains on left shoulder, right body, wherever. You know, he's 68. So, well, this is part of growing old, I guess. But now he's like a young man again. He doesn't have the pain anymore.
That's amazing, really.
So I decided that, you know, it's got so many amazing effects on us, and I make sure all my children also use it. I have a daughter in investment banking line. She works from 7 in the morning up to 8 o'clock every night, and she tells me that she only sleeps like, she feels as though she only slept for 3-4 hours because she bring along her stress to sleep. So, you know, and she's a light sleeper, she's grouchy when she wakes up, and she's moody all day. You know, all these things affects her work and her daily life. So I brought the mattress all the way to Hong Kong because she works in Hong Kong. And after using for a while, like just about a month, now she's having deep sleep every night without fail.
Thank you. That's great.
And my mom is 82 years old. My mom has that 4 high. She has the high cholesterol, diabetes, high blood, uric acid. And my mom had a fall and she was on wheelchair for about 5 to 6 months. And she has to stay on her 2nd floor bedroom. Nobody could bring her down because she wouldn't even step on the floor. Her leg is in excruciating pain. So, you know, if we take her out, we have to carry her onto a wheelchair. I let my mom try this mattress. Just last week, I brought her to a neuro specialist because my mom has dementia. And through the blood test, everything is very well and normal. And her high blood is gone, diabetes is gone. She's totally no more on medication.
Wow.
And my mom can climb upstairs to her own bedroom and downstairs twice a day.
82 years old mom. 5 months to 6 months wheelchair bound. Now with M-Life mattress, can climb up and down the stairs 2 times every day. And the medication for diabetes, high blood pressure, cholesterol, all stopped by medical doctor. May I know how long she had been taking those pills?
Diabetes started since she was in her 50s.
She is 82. Ladies and gentlemen, 30 years of medication now stopped by doctor after the mom starts using M-Life. Please, a big round of applause for Justina. Thank you very much. Justina, is there any words of wisdom that you want to share to the audience?
Yes. Don't wait. Please get yourself an M-Life mattress and try it for yourself. It works. Definitely works. I bought 8 pieces for my whole family.
8 pieces. From mother to husband to the self and the 5 children, yeah? The whole family, 3 generations. Thank you, Miss Justina.
Thank you.